Hi, I'm Ola. Today I'm going to show you some CSS tricks and how I use them to make this colorful animated website. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is what gives a web page its style. It controls everything from fonts and colors to animations and interactivity. Let's break it down by looking at how I styled my website. First, let's talk about how CSS is applied to an HTML page. If we open my HTML file in VS Code, you'll see that I've linked my CSS file inside the head section, like this. This connection allows us to target elements in our HTML and style them in our CSS file. On my website, I have two quotes, and I added a special effect to certain words like sweet and illuminate. When you hover over them, they glow. Let's see how that works. In my CSS file, I gave these words a class called .bold-text and added a hover effect to make them light up. This means that when the user hovers over the words, they change color and start glowing. CSS can also animate entire elements. The first quote on my website has a 360-degree rotation effect. That's done with a keyframe animation in CSS. This makes the quote rotate infinitely without needing any JavaScript. The second quote has a glowing effect just like the hover animation on the words, but this time the glow is animated. Instead of only appearing on hover, it continuously glows using the CSS animation. This keeps the glow effect running at all times. CSS isn't just about colors and fonts. It lets you add hover effects, animations, and transformations to make your website interactive and dynamic. If you found this helpful, let me know. Thanks for watching.